Are you ready to become an expert? Magnifying your potential with Conscious Cashflow's AI, giving you the power of the Expert Composite. In the vast, interconnected digital landscape we navigate, we are constantly bombarded with information. But amidst this information overload, have we ever stopped to evaluate the depth of our own knowledge and insights? Our AI not only recognizes the reservoir of potential within each individual but magnifies it, adorning users with expert insights and solutions, thus painting a clearer picture of one's capabilities. Understanding the individual. Our AI isn't a mere tool or platform, it's akin to a digital mentor. At the outset, the AI-driven survey is designed to unveil your unique professional journey, interests, and experiences. But it goes beyond just gathering data. The AI learns about who you are, much like a mentor who patiently listens, understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and aspirations. It takes a deep dive into your professional persona, understanding not just what you know, but how you think and perceive, augmenting your expertise. However, understanding is just the first step. Upon grasping your professional persona, the AI sets out on a mission to enhance it. Think of your knowledge as a raw diamond. Valuable, yes, but it can shine brighter, be more multifaceted. The AI delves into its expansive database of 10,000 experts, seeking out those whose insights resonate with yours. But more importantly, it identifies areas where you might benefit from some of their expertise. It's not about overshadowing your knowledge, it's about complementing it. The birth of the Expert Composite. This amalgamation of your unique insights and the wisdom of seasoned experts culminates in the creation of the Expert Composite. It's a powerful fusion that not only amplifies your inherent knowledge but adorns you with a spectrum of expert insights and solutions. Imagine having a board of advisors in your corner, each one contributing a piece of advice, a strategy, or a solution, shaping your perspective to be more holistic and informed. Empowerment through knowledge. For many, the vastness of their own potential remains uncharted territory. You might feel you only have a limited set of skills or knowledge. However, with the Expert Composite, our AI showcases a magnified version of you, enriched and empowered. It's a revelation of sorts, highlighting that with the right information and insights at your fingertips, you're capable of achieving far more than you ever imagined. The true beauty of the Expert Composite lies not in just the additional information it provides, but in its alignment with your unique way of thinking and operating. It ensures that the insights you receive aren't generic. They are tailored, relevant, and actionable, truly resonating with your professional ethos. Bridging the gap between potential and action. Knowledge is potent, but its true power is realized when it's applied. The AI doesn't just stop at presenting you with an enriched version of your professional self. It pushes you towards action, guiding you in harnessing this newly acquired wisdom. Whether it's drafting a report, formulating a strategy, or even authoring a book, the platform equips you with the tools and insights to execute with confidence and finesse. Reimagining your professional journey. In conclusion, in an era where AI often seems impersonal and detached, Quant AI stands as a testament to the potential of technology when aligned with human potential. It doesn't just see you as a user. It recognizes you as an individual brimming with potential. And through the Expert Composite, it ensures that potential is not just recognized but magnified, enriched, and empowered. Embracing our AI is akin to embarking on a journey of self-discovery, where you're not just exposed to what you know, but to the vastness of what you can achieve when adorned with the right insights. It's a celebration of the symbiosis between human potential and technological innovation, guiding each one of us to realize and act upon our expert way to operate. Thanks for watching.